Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. So today this unboxing video managed to make its way to YouTube. I filmed a lot of unboxing videos, but none has ever made it to YouTube. Reasons I don't know. So these are the things I ordered from Aliexpress, and this is a combination of different orders. I think about 3 orders, or 2 or 3 anyway. So I got a lot of things from them, and I won't really be talking about all of them. I'll just focus on 3 major deals. 3 major deals that are very expensive in Nigeria. I've made my inquiries, I've gone to price them. The price difference is much, and there is nothing different between my own and the ones I saw in Nigeria here. So I thought why don't I share this with my YouTube fam? This could be of help, because this can help you to save a lot of coins, So just go ahead, don't be quick to click out, because the major deals is still ahead waiting. You're going to be happy you came across this video, and among all the items I got, I'll just be sharing the 3 links to the 3 major deals. Like I said, honestly, the price difference is much, and I checked line to line, as in from end to end, there is no difference. And so I was like, okay, let me just share it with you guys, so maybe you can save some money by ordering from Aliexpress. This video is not sponsored. I have no business with Aliexpress other than buying stuff from them. So enjoy the video. I'll also go ahead to explain more when it gets to the place I was talking about. So here we go. Here is one of the 3 major deals in this video. Like I mentioned earlier, I believe you all know about this mini handbag, or should I call it handbag, that is trending. It's a hot cake, it's a must-have for all ladies. Is it a must-have? Like, it's trending, like everyone is buying the bag. So someone actually told me that she bought for 12,000 naira. I don't know how true that is, but I priced it in the market, not boutique or this regular stores, and the guy said it's 6k last. I priced 5,500. The guy said 5,900 I will not sell. So that means it's actually 6,000 naira on average, you get. And I got this at a mouth-watering price, and I actually checked from chain, the leather, the stitches, everything. There is no difference. Like, I was like, wow, why don't I share this? So I'll be dropping the link in the description box. So here is the second batch of the the order I made from Aliexpress. So the first thing I'll be opening, okay, I'll just go ahead and bring out everything first. So this car phone holder, I actually bought one for the first time in Nigeria for my first vlog that I made in my first market vlog, and it spoiled same day. And I was like, what? I bought this for 1,500 naira, and this one is about everything including the shipping fee is, I think, 1,700 or 1,600 and something, and it's durable, it looks solid, and it's not giving me issues. So the next major deal in this video is this chest mount for cameras and smartphone. This makes vlogging very easy, and in most times 90% of people that will see you won't know you are filming. All you have to do is just to set it up and mount it on your chest, and you're good to vlog, you know. So this is a must-have for vloggers, seriously, especially if you live in a place like my city where they are so afraid of cameras. Once they see you filming, they are shouting. So that's just it. The next one is my baby Christmas clothes. So Aliexpress has been my #1 plug for online shopping over the years, and I've grown to trust them. But to be sincere with you, I have never bought anything that has to do with fabric from them, because I'm usually very scared if I will get fake or something. So I usually buy jewelries, hair accessories, you know, other things, anything that is not fabric. This is my first time, and I was like, no, I can't keep this to myself. This is exactly as it is in the picture. Nothing like I ordered this and I got this. This is exactly what I ordered and I got it at a mouth-watering price, guys. I was actually supposed to order a set of teas for mom, dad, and baby, but I was so scared. I was like, okay, let me just give them a try with this one, and man, I'm impressed. The quality is top notch. This bodysuit alone, I know how much it is in Nigeria. The only issue is that the Santa Claus stockings, you know, is both Merry Christmas and Santa Claus.